From the makers of Nanobag 1 and 2 comes Nanobag 3. Each year, an estimated 500 billion to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed worldwide. Our mission is to reduce plastic waste by making the ultimate reusable bag. To our knowledge, the Nanobag is the world's strongest, lightest, and most portable bag in its product category. And now, it may just be the most fun. We've created 11 new full-color designs. With Nanobag 3, we've also shaved out 5% of the already ultralight bag. It weighs only 0.73 ounces. It's crafted from our custom-made ultra-high-performance reinforced diamond ripstop fabric. The super strong fabric measures only 0.002 inches thick. That's half the width of a human hair. Stitched with a heavy-duty nylon thread, the bag can easily carry 66 pounds. And with 18 liters of space, it's big enough to cover your daily needs. The silky soft fabric folds so compactly that you will hardly notice even carrying it. And it'll even fit into the watch bucket of your jeans. The pouch, which is attached to the bag, can also fit your keys and other small objects. The handles run along the length of the bag to distribute the weight evenly, whether you carry it on your shoulder or in your hand. They're also reinforced for extra comfort. And a coating keeps water and dirt off the bag. This time we've upped our commitment to the planet, and we will plant 1 tree for every bag sold. We hope that the convenience of the Nanobag 3 can help you reduce your plastic bag consumption. Back us today and help make the Nanobag 3 a reality.